To change the match conditions in FC26, first of all, let's click on a gear icon and then navigate to the settings page right here. Then move to the game settings and select the match on the top. Next step is to move down to the conditions. That way you'll be able to pick the stadium, match conditions, switch them between random or custom. If you want custom settings, then go for a custom. If you want random weather and etc., then go for a random. If you go for a custom, you can change the season between autumn, fall, winter, spring, or summer. There's also dynamic time of the day that you can switch right here. And I think the day is locked down for some reason. I think that depends on the either season or the stadium that you're gonna pick. Then there's the weather, and you can put it on clear, partly clear, overcast, rain, snow. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.